Okay, so I'm going to do the taste test I kind of talked about earlier, and we're going to start with, this will be my first one. Wait, let me think about it. I've got a few hot things, so just to show you, she got, and I saw these too, she got these from Ollie's. They're called sesame sticks. They're honey roasted pineapple habanero. And I love hot stuff, so I'm pretty excited about that because I almost got those and I didn't, so this is kind of cool. Anyways, I'm doing this taste test. For those of you that didn't watch the video, my aunt sent me a box of goodies and it had some food, and obviously she's not here to do the taste test with me, so I figured I'd test it out myself by my little old self because there's no way my husband would do these. They're hot. He doesn't do hot. So I've got two hot things. The habanero little sesame sticks, and then this combo. The combo is stuffed snack with the buffalo blue cheese, which usually should have a little heat to it as well. Then we got some Kettle Corn Pop chips. These should be slightly sweet. Some Truffles, which should be definitely sweet. And a granola cluster, which has all sorts of good stuff in it. Got flaxseed and pumpkins, and it's non-GMO, so that's cool. And I like granola, so this will be good. So I think I'm gonna go hot, normal. No, I'll do normal, hot, and end with sweet. So we'll start with this one first. This is the Kettle Corn Pop chip. And I haven't had this one, but I've had some of their other ones, so this will be good. This one says sweet and salty. If I'm being honest, this is what it looks like. It tastes like honeycomb cereal. Seriously, it tastes like honeycomb cereal. And I happen to remember that as a child. I think I haven't had it for years. This is what it tastes like. If you've never had it, it'd be interesting to do a little comparison, get the cereal and this and try it. That's pretty good. I like those. Okay, that time it didn't taste as much like one, but that first bite tastes like it. Okay, so let's do a hot one. We'll do the buffalo. That one's from Ollie's as well. Some of this I know is Dollar Tree because I've seen it there. Okay. So these combos, those are the pretzels. So they look like little pretzels and they're stuffed in the middle if you've never had them. This one just happens to have that buffalo blue cheese flavor. So let's see. I can feel a slight spice to it, but I guess if I eat a few of them, I'd probably get more of a buffalo blue cheese taste. Tastes like the pretzel ones with a little spice in them. Not bad, they're good. I'm waiting to see if it, I can kind of taste it. I think after having a couple, you taste a little bit more of that kind of blue cheese, like a buffalo taste to it, buffalo sauce. Those are really good too. I like those. So I'll have those with like my lunch or something during the week. Okay, so now we're gonna do, I'm gonna try the granola. I haven't bought these. I've had they had these little snack size little bars of them that were so good, but for whatever reason they haven't been carrying them. And I've been thinking about trying these and I just hadn't. So it was kind of cool that she sent it. Now I can try it. So looks like granola. This one has flax seeds and pumpkin. It also has coconut, whole grain oats, honey. It's pretty basic stuff in it. So let's see what it tastes like. This is kind of a little cluster. It has very good flavor. I really, for this little pack, serving size is only a quarter cup. It's like 130 calories, but the ingredients though, it's like whole rolled oats, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut, brown sugar, honey, canola oil, brown rice syrup, cinnamon, and salt. And that's it. It really isn't too bad. And it says it's actually a product of the United States, which is can be sometimes surprising. But not bad. Dollar Tree. I think I would get some more of these as soon as I run out of my granola. I like putting granola in different things like my yogurts or just having it plain with some almond milk. So that'll be good for breakfast. Okay, let's try this one. This is the one I really wanted to try. We'll see if it's hot. It sounds amazing. You got that sweet heat, barbecue, or roasted, rather, honey roasted pineapple habanero. So, I don't know how well you can see it in the bag, but these sesame things, I've like always been a huge fan of them. So, being very honest, you taste pineapple right off the bat. And then it heats up. If you've never had habanero, habanero is a sweet, hot pepper. It has a sweetness to it. And these aren't really that hot. They're... It's like a tanginess with some heat on your tongue a little bit. And that sweetness. These are really good. I think it's deceiving because you think it's going to be hot. And there's heat. But it really isn't too bad. And I just want you all to know that my cat and my little guy, my little, or Mr. Mac and Miss Tears and my little dog were playing underneath my feet. I was wondering if they're going to knock over the camera. But I like these, Jean. They might be too hot for you, but these are some pretty tasty things. And I might have to share some with Roman and see what he thinks, because he likes hot stuff too. So I might let him try that and see what he thinks. Okay, last thing. Because I already told you I'm taking those Snickers and I'm going to eat them. I wasn't even going to bother. Most people have tried the peanut butter Snickers or Snicker brand, and but I figured I'd end it on a sweet note. So here's the sweet note. Truffles. There's milk, dark, and white chocolate. Do I need to try each one? I think that might be a little too much to try each one. I guess I could take a bite. They're not very big. So this is the white chocolate. They're small. If you ever had the, I forget the name of it. Which one? It's not, I don't remember which chocolate company has those chocolate little truffles. These are much smaller than those, so I have like a kind of like a malt balm filling. It's interesting. There's definitely white chocolate. All right, that one's white chocolate. I don't think I can handle doing all of them. So I think I'm going to do the dark chocolate and save the milk chocolate for later, because I shouldn't have started with that white chocolate. It's a little sweet. It's pretty sweet. My mouth is going crazy right now. I'm going to hold on a second. Try and clean my palate a little. That was really sweet, that white chocolate. It's making my mouth feel funny. Yes, all that noise is a box that you've let the cat and the dog play with, and it's like their little playground, and they're loving it. And at some point, it's going to have to go in the burn pile. But for now, they're having a blast. Anyway. Okay, these are definitely a winner. I like those things. I'm going to become an addict. Okay, so we'll do the dark chocolate. Milk chocolate should probably be the in-between, so we'll see how this one is. I don't think you can really see very well that middle, but these are very rich, this particular brand. This is the dark, and it's still pretty sweet. In fact, we could probably only do one at a time. It might be something that would go great in like chocolate or coffee, or not chocolate, but like a hot coffee kind of thing. Oh my goodness, the animals are having fun. Can you hear them? They're playing hard right now. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so that was it. That was my taste test, and I'm going to tell you, I really liked pretty much everything. The only thing that was a little too much was the truffles for me. They're really sweet, so definitely it's like one is like plenty to get that little sweetness out. Like maybe if you have a craving or something, or if you want to throw it in some hot coffee, or I don't think you need to add it to hot chocolate. It'll make it way too sweet. But something like that might work out well too for you. And I have to be honest, this is probably my favorite. I could sit here and eat this a good handful. I probably couldn't eat the whole bag. I'd be sick, but I could definitely eat a handful of these and enjoy every minute. So anyways, that being said, thank you guys. I appreciate everybody, and I'm sorry for the loud noise because those babies are having a blast right now. Like seriously, having a blast. They're funny. But again, thanks everyone who's subscribed. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also you can share it too. So thank you guys. Appreciate you, and have a wonderful Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm not sure what day I'm going to post it. So anyways, bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and have a blessed day.